Feels so good, you know, when you just take out your ponytail after like 3 days to a week, and it's just like, oh my god. Oh yeah, that feels good. Hey babies, hey beautiful people, it's your girl Day, and we're back in a new video. But before we get into this video, if you are new here, if you've never seen my face before, if you haven't never been on my channel, or if you have been on my channel and you've watched some videos and you're back here right now, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, make sure you drop a heart below so I know that you're seeing this. And without further ado, let's get into the video. You already seen by the title what we're gonna get into. I have tried this mohawk style plenty of times in my life before, and I hadn't done my natural hair in any super cool style since, you know, I've cut it or anything. So I wanted to try something different. I decided that I would try to do like a Frohawk kind of look or whatever. Now this is like 4 or 5, probably even a week old hair. I can't even tell you. I have not kept count. I did post this hairstyle on my Snap story, and a lot of people were like, hey, you should do a video on it, a tutorial on it, because I want to try that style. What products did you use, etc., etc. So we're here. My hair is a total mess. It has grown out, as you guys can see, the growth or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how I created this hairstyle. We're gonna go from this to this. I'm gonna show you what products we're using, etc., etc. Okay, so I got everything that we need for this style. First off, you're gonna need a wide tooth comb with a rat tail end. That's for parting. You could use a small rat tail comb, but you know, I have a lot of, like, I got a lot of hair on my head. You will need a detangling brush, also known as Denman Brush. Some ponytail holders. My hair is super thick, so I have to get the thick ones. You know the vibe. Hand to shea butter for natural hair. Moisturizing curl activation cream. The YouTube hand. And I have the infamous Wet Line Extreme Gel. I actually have to get another jar of this because, baby, I use this a lot. The Au Natural Anti-Shrinkage Slips. I can't speak. Slick Slip Leave-In Conditioner for all curl types. I really love this. My hair loves this stuff, by the way, and it's a very good detangler. Even though it's a leave-in conditioner, I do use it to help detangle my hair, which I love. The Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. And last but not least, I have the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy Cream. I have very manageable hair, I must say, so I don't have to do too much to it. You feel me? So the most I'm probably gonna use is my leave-in conditioner and my Denman Brush and the detangling cream, and that really should help loosen up these curls that have been sitting in my hair forever. So right now I'm just going to be taking out the rubber bands out of my hair. As you guys can see, I have type 4 hair in the back. It's curly, it's knotty. Oh Lord, I can't get this one out. I'm trying, y'all, I'm trying. Help! The middle of my hair is also type 4, but there's a little bit of type 3 in it, as you guys can see. Like, this part is more type 3 than type 4. Type 4 curls are a lot coilier, as you guys can see. Down here is super coily. In the middle of my hair is like 3 and 4. And then when you get to the top of my head, well, we're still in the middle, but when you get to the top of my head, the curls are a lot looser. You guys are probably like, why does her accent change so much? Honestly, this is how I speak, but where I'm from, we don't talk raw. You feel me? So, I mean, I don't like to hear myself talking like this all the time because, you know, that's, I don't know. That's just me. I prefer to speak. Oh, I can't speak, my son. I prefer to speak properly. So, I mean, if you have a problem with me, quote unquote, yanking, this ain't the channel for you. You feel me? Good. You know, when you just take out your ponytail after like 3 days to a week, and it's just like, oh my god. Oh yeah, that feels good. Ooh, I should have worn my hair like this. Like, this is actually pretty cute. Like, who knew? All I have to do is like put a little headband. Like, you feel me? Y'all see the picture? Like, y'all see the picture? Y'all see where I'm
Yes,
at?
Stage,
Like,
we see the picture, but you are talking like way too much. We know that you are excited and you've been listening for like so long, but child, let's just get into the video, please. You're doing too much.
Man, my leave-in conditioner, and it has water as its first ingredient, which is really good. So that's also gonna help detangle. So I just, you know, create slip and make sure my hair is saturated with the product. As you guys can see, I use a good amount, and as you guys can see, my hair is already starting to hold the moisture and detangle itself. Like, literally, it's detangling itself. Like, just clearing it out with a rat tail comb first, just to get out the big tangles that has been sitting in my hair since 5 ever. Ooh, my hair look thick, man. Next, I'm going to be using the Not on My Watch detangling cream thingy, whatever, by Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna, you know, put that in my hair. Ooh, this have a lot of slip. I like. So going back in with the wide tooth rat tail comb just to clear out the big tangles. I can't believe it, guys. Like, oh my god, what? Look at the no way. That's mine. That's wow. Wow. I don't know how to feel, but this is pretty detangling. So I'm going back in with my Denman brush right here. You feel me? I cut my hair a year ago. I can't. Alright, you people, so we're back after detangling my hair thoroughly.
So, we're gonna get into this style right now and show you exactly how I created that mohawk style. Now, you don't need a mirror or anything because the parts do not have to be perfect to achieve this style. As long as you know what you're doing, as long as you can understand the steps to this process, I get you, and you gonna get it, and we gonna get this style together, you feel me? So, let's start. So, I'm going to unravel the sections that I already detangled so I can part out my hair the way I want it to be for this mohawk style. Ooh, I should do a twist out because, baby, your curls are popping. Anyway, I made a whole twist back here, man. Okay, I think that's, okay, yeah, that's everything.
Alright, so I'm gonna start from the back and a sun. A little bit so I can see what I do, but basically I'm gonna start from back here and I just go from ear to ear back here. Hope I could see. And I just go and separate it like that. Like I tell you, it don't gotta be perfect. I'm going to put the rest of this hair up. So I'm gonna go in with my hand tool, my moisturizing coil cream. A little bit out in my hand. And I'm going to saturate the hair with this product. Just like that. Make sure your ends are well saturated too, because those are where the curls are going to be popping from. Next, I'm going to go in with my Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel.
Pause. I hope you guys are paying attention because these 3 steps are the main steps to creating this style. So please pay attention.
Don't need too much because I'm still going to add gel to my hair regardless. Saturate my hair with this as well. Wow, my hair actually long, man. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet Line Extreme to coat everything and hold everything together.
The Wet Line Extreme Gel plays a very important part in this style.
Last but not least, my Denman Brush. And this is going to help form my curls as well as detangle the hair.
I think I'm going to do it a little bit bigger because I like the curls in the back to pop a lot more. So what I'm going to do is pull a little bit more hair. I'm just going to go higher up, so I'm going to go right above my ear and go all the way across. Like I tell you, the parts do not have to be straight, but I'm just going to go across a little bit higher because I want more hair in the back.
I basically repeated the same steps from the previous part of the video, so yeah. So once I have completed putting the products in my hair, I then take my Denman brush and I smooth and detangle the curls. After doing this, I take a scrunchie and I tie it up. And we're gonna get back into repeating this process. This process is very repetitive, so I'm repeating the same steps, parting from ear to ear, and then I'm going to be applying my products and detangling and then tying it up in a scrunchie. And I'm gonna repeat that step over and over and over again. So when I get closer to the top, I'll come back and yeah, let's get into it. Woo woo, we at the top, y'all. Hey, let's get it, let's get it. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie it up now. I already applied all the product, etc., etc. Period. All right, so now I am just taking out some pieces on the sides because I do want to curl like my sideburn hairs, whatever you want to call them. They're not baby hairs, but you know, they're just hairs that be on, you know, your sideburns or whatever. Anywho, you know, we're just gonna finish up the top now. So I'm doing the same steps. I'm applying my wet line extreme gel to the base of my hair because I do want my edges to be laid and flat and slayed, period. So now I'm just applying the product to my hair to enhance my curls or whatever, and then we are going to be clearing it out with the Denman brush and putting it up into a ponytail holder, period. Oh my god, if you have made it to this far into the video, I really appreciate you with all my heart. Thank you for showing me support on my channel. You know, it's a small channel, we still growing or whatever, but I really appreciate you coming on here and watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because you made it. Like, you obviously enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification. Share this video to somebody that don't know how to comb their own hair. You feel me? And you know, let's help each other out. Let's help each other be successful. So right here I am just, you know, coiling my sideburns or whatever because I like to see that little curly look. You know, it's a fave for me. Everybody doesn't do it, but I like to do it. You know, so without further ado, I'm going to be explaining to you how I make my curls pop. As you guys can see, they ain't popping right now. So what I do, well, right now I just, you know, brushing it out. But what I usually do is take small sections of my hair and I finger coil them. So that will help to increase my curls, you know, actually popping out because they don't just pop on its own with the product alone. You know, some people hair does do that, but mine does not. So I actually have to help my hair for the curls to pop. So like I said, what I do is I take some gel and I, you know, put it on the strand of hair and then I just finger coil it, as you guys can see me doing here right now at this moment. And yeah, that is what I do. Last but not least, I usually like jump around and shake my curls, but I didn't get to record that part. But here is me. Here are the final results of my curly Frohawk. You know, you feel me? Eyebrows done, lashes on, earrings on, you know, lip gloss. We popping, okay? And like I said, your parts do not have to be clean. Like, I did not intend for my parts to come out clean because I know it's going to be covered by my curls anyway.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try this style. Let me know if you guys try this style in the comment section below. If you have reached to the end of this video, make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification, and welcome to the Unique Gang. And without further ado, let's get into the outro. See you guys in my next video. Bye.